Hello students, let us continue with the topic simultaneous linear equations in two variables. In this video, we are going to discuss how to solve simultaneous linear equations in two variables by cross multiplication method. So let us discuss cross multiplication method. Students, for solving simultaneous linear equation by cross multiplication, there are two things that you need to remember. Number one, that all the terms they should be on one side, and on the other side it should be equal to 0. And the second thing that you need to remember is a number that is 2, 3, 1, 2, and this number 2, 3, 1, 2 is used for arranging the coefficients in the order only. So let us discuss some example based on cross multiplication. The first example is 2x minus 3y plus 8 is equal to 0. 3x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. Now students, in this example, our step number 1 is already done. That is, all the terms they should be on the one side. Now we have to do our second step, that is, we have to arrange all the numbers in the order 2, 3, 1, 2. So this is our first number, second number and third number. Now from here only we have to arrange the terms in the order of 2, 3, 1, 2. So now first is 2. From here that is minus 3 and 1. Then 3 that is plus 8 and plus 1. Then 1 that is plus 2 and plus 3. Then again it is 2 that is minus 3 and plus 1. Now students, we have to do cross multiplication. So this term will be multiplied with this one and this will be multiplied with this one. Here also 8 will get multiplied with 3 and 1 will get multiplied with 2. 2 will get multiplied with 1 and 3 will get multiplied with minus 3. And the next thing that you need to remember is that in between these you have to write x, y and 1. Now by doing cross multiplication, we'll get x upon minus 3 into 1 minus 1 into 8 is equal to y upon 8 into 3 minus 1 into 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 3. Now on multiplying this we get x upon minus 3 minus 8 is equal to y upon 24 minus 2 equal to 1 upon 2 plus 9. So it is x upon minus 11 equal to y upon 22 equal to 1 upon 11. Now students, we are going to do the clubbing of first and third term and second and third term. So on comparing first and third, we get x upon minus 11 is equal to 1 upon 11. So now we are going to shift this minus 11 to the other side. So on shifting we get x is equal to minus 11 upon 11. So on doing cutting we get x is equal to minus 1. So on comparing second and third we get y upon 22 is equal to 1 upon 11. So now we are going to shift 22 to the other side. So we get y is equal to 22 upon 11 and on doing cutting we get y is equal to 2. So therefore x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 2 is the answer for this. Students, let us discuss one more example for the better understanding of this method. The second example is 2x minus 3y equal to 12 and x plus 2y equal to minus 1. Now students, in this sum 12 and minus 1 they are on the right hand side. So our first step will be that we have to shift 12n minus 1 to the left hand side. So on shifting, we get 2x minus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 and x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to follow our second step, that is we have to arrange the numbers in the order 2, 3, 1, 2, and on arranging we get minus 3 and 2, minus 12 and plus 1, 2 and 1, and minus 3 plus 2. And in between we have to write x, y and 1. Now we have to do the cross multiplication. So we are going to draw the arrows. Now on multiplying, we are going to write x upon minus 3 multiplied by 1 minus 2 multiply minus 12 equal to y upon minus 12 multiplied by 1 minus 1 multiplied by 2 equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 minus 1 into minus 3. So we get x upon minus 3 plus 24 equal to y upon minus 12 minus 2 equal to 1 upon 4 plus 3. On solving, we get x upon 21 equal to y upon minus 14 equal to 1 upon 7. Now we are going to compare first and third and second and third. So on solving first and third, we get x upon 21 equal to 1 upon 7. So 21 will be shifted to the other side. So on shifting, we get x is equal to 21 upon 7. So on doing cutting, we get the value of x as 3. Now on solving second and third, we get y upon minus 14 equal to 1 upon 7. So minus 14 will be shifted to this side. So we get y equal to minus 14 upon 7. So on doing the cutting, we get y equal to minus 2. So therefore, x is equal to 3 and y equal to minus 2 is the solution for this sum. Now students, you have got one worksheet in your SNAP homework. Solve that worksheet. Thank you and have a nice day.